Okay, hi ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back again to Tradespeople's Tips. Now, glass. Yeah? No glass. I know you'd find that funny. Glass. Right, now in here we have some tacks. Yeah? One, two, yeah? Here you can see the same tacks which is holding the glass. I don't know if this is, well, this is what I have, right? So I'll be back again in a minute once I've cut this, and hopefully it ain't gone. After we see the cat again. All done. No water getting in there now. Okay then, until next time on Tradespeople's Tips, look after each other and stop robbing each other.